Welcome to the Frasers Cars video walk round for the Toyota CHR we now have available. This is a 67 plate Toyota CHR 1.2 Excel 5-door. One owner from new car with full service history, and it's covered 19,700 miles from new. It's finished in a lovely colour combination of metallic grey with a black and chocolate interior. Really good specification in the car as well, including alloy wheels, automatic headlights, rear parking sensors with rear parking camera, LED front daytime running lights, rear privacy glass, along with front and rear electric windows and electrically operated and power folding door mirrors. It's really nice inside. Electric lumbar support as well, and a height adjustable driver's seat. Satellite navigation, along with DAB radio and Bluetooth. Front heated seats and dual zone climate control also. Cruise control also features, as does blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert. Push button start as well. The proper CHR carpet mat set's also fitted along in the boot with a rear load liner, and the rear seats have a 60/40 split fold in them. Just put that down properly. Boot space also under there includes a space saver spare wheel. This car also has the balance of the Toyota 5-year warranty, and it's available to view at our Falkirk branch, which is Frasers of Falkirk. You can find us in Glasgow Road in Camelon, Falkirk. The postcode is FK1 4JQ. You can also view the car online at www.fraserscars.co.uk, or you can give the sales team a call on 01324 632 333. Thanks for watching.